After a warm welcome and good food,
So welcome, sir.
we're ready to go to Barama weekly market and cook more tasty Bodo dishes. Breakfast with pita. Ansuma, where are we going now?
हम तो अभी मार्केट जा रहे हैं, वीकली मार्केट बरामा.
How is it? Is it a big market?
काइंड ऑफ इतना छोटा भी नहीं है, इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है.
And how far is it from your place?
It's around 1 kilometer.
All right, let's go and see.
Yes, sir. अर्जुन भाई. हाँ.
तो Barama का weekly market Sunday वाला. All sorts of products are sold here. Shoes, clothes, poultry, fruits, butternuts, vegetables. This is all pork. Yeah. Then we find silkworm. That is the fish side, I think.
Yes.
Freshwater eels, varieties of fishes. This is the mutton area. There's a rabbit, small chicken variety, the local one. One is ducks. They're showing us ducks. And then a delicacy, snails. Oh, dry fish. We got some black lentil as well.
Yeah, I think they eat a lot this.
Yeast for making wine, local wine. After all the shopping, we went to a tea stall for some hot tea to refresh ourselves. Okay. I'll try, huh? Oh, that milk now that she added, I can still smell it. Nice. It's still very hot. Oh, did you see? Still steaming. Crispy and soft same time. Oh. Maida and rice flour. Nice. Very refreshing if you're going out for shopping. One pita. We've been walking around for half an hour, more than that. We still have not seen every part of the market. So big. Let's see. Oh, they have strawberry. ये कहाँ से है? Local. कितने का? 100. Oh, nice. I have not seen this guava before. Looks tasty. Now we are looking for the local rice. Varieties of rice. There are the local varieties. So that's the aromatic local rice. And next to the aromatic local rice is the aromatic local rice beer. Mouth-watering jalebis. Wow. Jenny is buying thing after thing. What is that one? I have not eaten this. How does it taste?
It's very slippery.
It's slippery, sir.
One of the
मीठा होगा ना?
third. Why are you taking so much? 1 liter?
It's a half liter, it will fall down, no? That's why.
Yeah, this is
Down after it, naina mabo.
120. But these are all half liters, no?
खरीद
Yeah.
लेते ना सब चीज। ये तो हम लेके जा रहे हैं। 1 किलो पोक लेके आना अच्छा वाला और फिर 1 चिकन लेके आना।
You come in the evening, we'll have together. You
आ
do.
जाओ, एक साथ करते हैं।
So, Suma is delegating work to his cousin because we want to go sightseeing to Bhutan. Okay. All right, then we'll meet in the evening.
Yes.
We'll have pork and chicken and dinner. Okay. Whatever we are buying now, we'll have as dinner. For lunch, we'll see what we can get in Bhutan. But for now, yeah, this is what I find most interesting. What is this?
Oh, it ruhi hai sir.
Oh, this is for planting.
for planting.
Ah. All the snacks. Lot of them. Local bamboo products. Nice. You can see the whole street. Today in the morning we've got silkworms from the market. It's already boiled and then it will be fried. You have to tell me what you're making now.
What is this called?
This is potato, no? Yeah.
Pink color. Potato.
Yeah. The cherry potato we bought in the morning.
Cherry potato.
You're frying it. And this is?
Black dal.
This is black dal with
You're boiling it. We'll cook it.
with soda. With that khar. That soda taken from ash.
Banana stem.
Banana. You burn the banana stem, dry it, burn it. You take the ash, filter it. You get this khar, the soda, and they put it here. And you'll be adding. You'll be adding pork here.
We'll add pork.
The fresh one or the roasted?
Boiled.
Boiled one. Okay.
We'll dry fry it.
Okay. And it's going to be very tasty. Yeah. It's already boiling.
I fried the pork now.
Pork. Okay. With bamboo shoot or just?
No.
Okay.
Just with little bit onion.
And you add the fried pork into the Urad Dal. They call it Urad, na? I think it's called Urad. This is same as Savoloi Utti, the one that people make in Manipur. Black dal with soda and you make utti. But only difference is we are adding here a little bit of pork. But yes, smells the same also. It's going to be tasty.
Pork with jute leaves.
Pork with dried jute leaves. Do you eat the fresh one also? The jute leaves you don't eat. So you dry it.
Dry it and then cook it.
Okay. It becomes a little bitter.
Yeah, they eat it raw also.
Okay.
They fry and eat it.
Okay.
Some people they can eat it bitter.
Sansarang. Yeah. He is Ansuma's cousin Sansarang. So he's helping prepare the next dish with. These are the dried jute leaves. So this will be cooked with pork. A little bit of Szechuan pepper is added.
Silkworm.
For the silkworm. Alright, this is the boiled silkworm, boiled and cut. A bit of turmeric. How long will you fry this?
This for 5 minutes.
Yeah, this is the pork cooked with the leaves of the jute plant, which is dried jute leaves. Yeah, at the end. I forgot the name.
घर में ये घर का बना हुआ है शायद।
पर ये घर का?
हाँ घर का मतलब यहाँ का नहीं, वो गांव से लाया है।
हाँ हाँ. So this is Lafa leaves. I'll find out what's the English name. Common name, Lafa leaves. It's a little bit when you cook, slippery or what you call gummy and slimy. And it becomes after you boil. So it's another dish that we're making today. So all the leaves have broken up after adding this khar. It's all a paste now. So then I think you're going to add the pork, right?
Yeah, in
Into
some
the-
time.
Yeah. Yeah, this is also boiling. Yeah. And the pork has been added. Lafa leaves, dried fruit leaves, little bitter, Narzi,
Oma.
and this is black dal with pork. Trying black dal with khar and pork.
Sobai khare. Sobai khare Oma.
This dal is really good. Very tasty.
Just
Slightly.
Slightly, only salt.
only salt.
Water and salt. जिंजर होगा शायद जिंजर डालेगा मसाला तो डाल सकते हैं वैसे
There's a very earthy taste. Yeah, nice. You're eating for the first time, no? This thing? No. Okay. Oh, you have had it before. Okay, so you know the taste. And so we ended the day with good food, friends, and family.